It's raining in Port Orchard, as usual. Alright, the head gasket ready to go on. There's no guide pins on these, I noticed. Oh, okay. Here's the head, freshly rebuilt, basically. The guides were good, so new seals and fresh valve grind, and the seals on the fuel injectors too. Let's see here, how am I going to do this? Try that. Probably glaring in the lens. Oh, tis what it is. Hopefully it comes out. This thing's heavy. That's a chunk of steel. I guess I want to take the cardboard off first. Close. Set it down gently so I don't mess up the head gasket. Not my first rodeo. Okay. Shoot, that's real close. But not quite perfect. Let's see here. Maybe look down from the top. Okay, I can see it now. Okay. As we go, a little something like this. Put the camera probably in the same place, I guess. Sorry, no better camera. Hey, it started. Did it? I think it started. It did start. Sweet. It's funny, it throws you off a little bit because the head, it doesn't sit perfectly straight the way you think it would. It looks like it's cockeyed a little bit when it's on there. Oh, it is. It didn't start, it's just going off the edge. Alright, that's where you gotta go slow. Take your time. Hurry up. Choice is yours, don't be late. Okay, take two. Take two. They're small. Yeah. Okay. Gotta be close. So damn heavy. Alright, I'll have to come back on this one in a minute.